got another Asian pear, but this one is a little more riper. Same thing, needs to be thinned out, the branches and the fruit as well. Here we got one right there. This one looks nice. Much better. The skin isn't as thick as this, you know, brown color. This one, much more tastier. So I suggest planting this variety. I'll check on the name when I get home. Asian pear has just recently been pruned, so it looks a lot better. It will look even better next year. But yeah, this is how it looks. Oops. There you go. Last time when I saw it, all the rustling, the brown skin wasn't full, but it did taste quite nice. Yeah, last time it looked more like this, you see. And now it's fully ripe. It looks like this. So let's give it a try, see how it tastes. The skin got a little thicker because it got ripe, but it's sweet and it's nice. Not sure if I like this or when it was underripe like this. Let's get this one hard. Oh man, I like this one. I like it when it's not fully ripe, oddly. The taste is better. The issue is the skin. Thick skin really takes it away. The smile is sweet, but I really like the taste compared to when it's ripe. Nope. Yeah, I'll probably be. I like it like this. This is the best taste right here. Almost ripe, not ripe yet.